afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past question number 85, and we are to use the instruction here. Say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options, and we're using this instruction to answer question 71 to 100. And the statement says the magistrate gave a dash and Joanna was happy because it was a light dash. The magistrate gave a dash and Johanna was happy because it was a light one. Option A, conclusion. B, decision. C, judgment. D, pronouncement. E, remark. The magistrate gave a dash. What? The magistrate is the judge, so what we expect from judge is not conclusion, it's not decision, it's not pronouncement, it's not remark. The pronouncement that comes from a judge is known as judgment. So the magistrate gave a judgment, that is, he made judgment, and Johanna was happy because it was a light dash, a light judgment, because it was a light judgment. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.